Waterfalls are nature's dramatic punctuation marks, roaring, cascading reminders of the planet's power and beauty. Whether they're hidden deep in the jungle or thundering beside a bustling city, waterfalls captivate us with their movement, sound and sheer scale. This list of 10 of the best waterfalls in the world, according to ChatGPT, celebrates not just the tallest or most famous, but those that leave a lasting impression through their setting, uniqueness and the experience they offer. From the remote Tupus of Venezuela to the icy canyons of Iceland, these waterfalls each tell their own epic story. So in no particular order, here they are. Firstly, Angel Falls, Venezuela. Angel Falls is the tallest uninterrupted waterfall in the world, plunging an incredible 979 metres or 3,212 feet from the summit of the Iron Tupi mountain into the dense rainforest below. Located in Kenma National Park, a remote UNESCO World Heritage Site, the falls are often shrouded in clouds and mist, giving them an almost mythical presence. Because it's so remote, accessing Angel Falls often involves a combination of riverboat trips and hikes, making the journey part of the adventure. Its otherworldly beauty and isolation make it a dream destination for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Moving on to our second waterfall, the Iguazu Falls in Argentina and Brazil. Iguazu Falls is not just one waterfall, but a jaw-dropping system of 275 individual cascades stretched across nearly 3 kilometres or 1.86 miles on the Iguazu River. It's one of the wildest waterfall systems in the world, and dramatically more powerful than Niagara. The most famous section, the Devil's Throat, drops 80 metres or 262 feet in a roaring horseshoe-shaped fall that straddles the border between Argentina and Brazil. The surrounding subtropical rainforest teems with toucans, monkeys and butterflies, adding to the immersive jungle experience. With well-developed walkways and boat tours, it offers both adrenaline and awe. Thirdly, we have the Victoria Falls, which is in Zambia and Zimbabwe, known locally as the Mosi Oa Tunya, or the smoke that thunders. Victoria Falls is one of the largest and most iconic waterfalls in the world. Spanning more than 1,700 metres wide, or 5,600 feet, and dropping 108 metres, or 354 feet. The Zambezi River plunges into a deep chasm, sending up columns of mist, visible from miles away. During the rainy season, the spray is so intense it creates constant rainbows, and you can even swim at the edge in the famous Devil's Pool. It's a powerful, majestic and spiritual place, often considered one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. Now let's move on to fourth on the list, Niagara Falls, USA and Canada. Niagara Falls is one of the most famous and visited waterfalls on the planet, straddling the border between the US and Canada. Though not as tall as others on this list, around 51 metres or 167 feet, it's incredibly powerful, with over 168,000 cubic metres of water crashing down every minute at peak flow. Comprising 3 main sections, Horseshoe Falls, American Falls and Bridal Veil Falls. It's renowned for its accessibility, boat tours like the Maid of Mist, and stunning nighttime illuminations. It's a classic honeymoon spot, is an icon of natural spectacle fused with human interaction. Fifth on the list is Yosemite Falls in California, USA. One of North America's tallest waterfalls, Yosemite Falls drops a total of 739 metres, or 2,425 feet, in 3 dramatic tiers within the granite grandeur of the Yosemite National Park. It's especially striking in spring, when snowmelt feeds the falls into full, thunderous flow, visible from miles away. Hikers can take a strenuous but rewarding trail to the top for panoramic views of the Yosemite Valley. What makes Yosemite Falls stand out is not just its height, but its harmonious integration with Yosemite's epic granite cliffs and surrounding wilderness. Sixth on this list is Plitvice Falls, Croatia. Located in Plitvice Lakes National Park, this system of terraced waterfalls and turquoise lakes looks like something out of a fairy tale. Water flows through limestone and dolomite, creating ever-changing formations of cascades and pools. While no individual fall is very tall, their collective beauty and the vibrancy of the mineral-rich waters are mesmerizing. Wooden footpaths wind through the landscape, allowing visitors to experience the falls up close in a peaceful, almost enchanted forest setting. It's a photographer's paradise and one of Europe's hidden gems. Sixth on the list is Gullfoss in Iceland. Known as the Golden Falls, Gullfoss is one of Iceland's most iconic natural wonders. The Kaieteur River plunges in 2 stages, 11 and 21 metres, into a narrow canyon, creating a powerful, misty display of raw, natural energy. In sunlight, the mist often produces rainbows arcing over the falls. In winter, the surrounding landscape turns into a frozen wonderland, making it equally stunning year-round. Easily accessible from Reykjavik as part of the Golden Circle route, Gullfoss combines geological drama with Iceland's otherworldly atmosphere. Eighth on the list is Kaieteur Falls in Guyana. Tucked deep in the Amazon rainforest, Kaieteur Falls is one of the world's most powerful waterfalls, with a single plunge of 226 metres, or 741 feet, and an incredibly high water volume. It's about 5 times higher than Niagara Falls and far more remote. What sets Kaieteur apart is its wild, untouched setting. No crowds, no fences, just raw nature. The area is home to rare species like the golden rocket frog and the Guyana cock of the rock bird, making it a dream for ecotourists and explorers. It's remote, it's raw, and it's breathtaking. Ninth on the list is Dettifoss, Iceland. Often referred to as Europe's most powerful waterfall, Dettifoss thunders 44 metres, or 144 feet, down into Iceland's Gioc canyon with a width of 100 metres, or 328 feet. The sheer volume and force of the glacier-fed water make it a stunningly violent, almost apocalyptic sight. The surrounding volcanic landscape adds to the drama, rugged, grey and otherworldly. It's not polished or touristy, it's raw elemental power, and it makes you feel small in the best possible way. Last on the list, or number 10, is the Dettian Falls in Vietnam and China. These twin border falls are among the largest transnational waterfalls in the world. Dropping 30 metres, or 98 feet, across multiple tiers, they lie amongst karst limestone peaks and lush rice paddies, creating a scene that feels straight out of ancient Chinese painting. While not the tallest, their symmetry and setting are poetic and unique. The sound of the falls blends with the rhythm of daily life in the surrounding villages, offering a rare mix of natural beauty and cultural authenticity. So, from the thunderous roar of Victoria Falls to the serene step cascades of Plitvice, waterfalls represent the dramatic artistry of nature at its finest. Each of these falls has something distinct to offer, whether it's the sheer scale, the pristine setting, or the journey it takes to reach them. They remind us of the Earth's dynamic spirit and our own urge to chase awe-inspiring moments. Whether you're planning a global adventure or dreaming from afar, these waterfalls are more than just water. They're wonder made visible. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.